how to log into your Pinterest account on new device. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is on your new device, simply install the Pinterest application through your App Store or Google Play, and then from there, what you're going to do is you'll be able to see your page just like this, where you'll be able to see login button. Tap on login, and now in here, if you have used any of those platforms like your Google ID or Apple ID in order to create your Pinterest account, then you can simply tap on them and then log into your account. Or if you have created it manually, then you can simply enter your email address and the password of your Pinterest account, and then you can simply tap on login, and just like that, you'll successfully be able to log into your account. But since this is a new device, there might also be the option of entering the 6-digit security code to send. That will actually be sent to your email or your phone number if the two-factor authentication is enabled. So simply do that, and just like that, you will successfully be able to log into your Pinterest account on a new device.